Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a place for agricultural business owners looking for ways to make profit from their agricultural business and also thinking of starting up an agribusiness. And today I'm back with another video for the channel. Today I'll be talking about how to start pig farming. Alright, so in one of my videos I talked about the 5 most profitable livestock farming that you can go into in 2022, and also you can go into if you're in Nigeria, and pig farming happens to fall into that category. Okay, so today I'll be talking about how you can start pig farming. Alright, so if you're interested in today's video, make sure you smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and let's dive in. So a couple of months ago I visited a friend's farm who is into pig farming, and we had some conversations on how one can start pig farming, the profitability of pig farming, the construction, the feeding of pigs, and how you can get your breeding stock. So that's what I'll be bringing to the channel today. So don't let us waste time, let's dive in. The very first thing you need when going to pig farming, especially if even though you want to do it on a small scale or a large scale, you need a land. Yes, you can decide to lease a land, you can decide to purchase a land, but for livestock, in case you'll be doing it for a very long time or you plan to do it on the long run, long-term stuff, it's important to purchase your farmland. You can also lease, but it's actually important to purchase your farmland. We all know that farmland is an asset. Once you get it now, you've got it, and it appreciates. So if you don't get it now, it might increase later. Okay, so the first thing first is to get your farmland, and farmland now is very expensive. Before, we do get an acre of farmland between 300, 400, 500,000, but right now an acre is going between 600, 700, 800, 900 in some locations. So you have to weigh your options. Okay, so the very first thing is to get your farmland. Also, when getting your farmland, because of pig dungs, the smell, you need to get your farmland far from town, okay, far from where people are staying. So you need to get it inside tick villages. Also, when getting your farmland, you need to think about security, because you're going into livestock, you're going into animal, you need to consider theft, security. So even in as much as you're getting your farmland in a very far location close to villages, you need to think of hiring. Yes, hiring a security guard, hiring farm workers that will live on the farm, hiring people that will stay on the farm, so that you not come one day and say that all your pigs, they've carried it and go. Yes, so it's important you think of security when getting your farmland. You think of accessibility to your farm workers. Even for you need to think of that too when getting your farmland for livestock farming, especially pig farming. Also, before I go to the other point, let me talk about the security very well. When you're getting your farm workers, this is based on experience from my friend that's into pig farming. His previous farm workers, when the pigs litters, they will tell you, Oga, all of them don't die, all of them don't die, but they will not see the dead ones. Okay, so they will steal your pigs. So it's important to install CCTV camera if you're going into pig farming. No matter how you think you trust the person that is there, install CCTV camera. That's what this my friend did. He had to install CCTV cameras there. And since the workers knew that there were CCTV cameras around, pigs never die. Pigs picking never die. So that's expo number 1. Okay, so after getting your land, let's talk about the construction. Yes, the construction. How do you construct the pig? Is it pig pen? Yes. How do you construct it? You have to do a swimming pool. There's this small pond that they do for the pigs, for them to swim, to relax. I'm going to insert some clips so that you see it. You need to do the feeding spot for them. Also, I want to quickly counter a controversy that's been going around concerning pig farming. People say pigs are dirty animals. I'm here to tell you that no, pigs are not dirty animals. Pigs just need to keep themselves clean at all time, and any water that they get or they see at that period of time is what they enter into to swim. And that's why you see them mostly in mud, dirty water. It's because they want their body to cool. So if you're setting up your pig pen, you need to do a small swimming pool for them, and you see that they will always be there to keep themselves neat. Okay, it's not that pigs are dirty animals. Okay, so your construction, you need to construct this mini swimming pool, you need to construct where they eat, and you need to construct where they can easily access. Okay, for those that are into pig farming, you already know what I'm talking about, but for those that are new, I'm going to insert some clips that you can see, okay, so that you get what I'm talking about. So that is it for the construction of their pen, where they stay, where they live. Okay, now let's talk about buying your piglets. Yes, let's talk about buying your piglets. Please don't buy any type of piglets. Yes, this aspect is what will determine 80%. This is like 80% of your success in pig farming. The piglets you get, the source where you are getting it from. Some people say you see piglet for 5,000 naira. Now so we get local dog for 5,000 naira. If you want quality breed, you have to pay for quality breed. And with my research, I heard you can get a quality piglet between 50,000 and 60,000 and above. So don't go and get breed for 5,000 or 10,000, and then you come and say, why is this my pig not big? Your pig is not big because you did not get the right breed. Okay, so you getting your piglet, the source where you are getting it from, hope where it's coming from, there's no disease there. You need to check it, you need to know. You also need to vaccinate your pigs. Yes, get good breeding stock, vaccinate your pig when you're bringing them newly into your pig pen. Okay, so that's another thing you need to take note of, the breeding stock. Please don't do akagom. Don't be stingy when it comes to getting good source for your breeding stock. For any animal, not even pig, goats, rabbits, dogs, get good breeding stock, because this will determine like 80% of your success. Okay, if you get a bad stock and none of them are falling sick, you will keep spending money, and at the end of the day you might get frustrated and say, this aspect of farming is not profitable. It's not that it's not profitable, it's because you didn't get the right stock. Okay, so we've gotten our piglets. Let's talk about feeding. Another notion I want to correct here is pigs eat anything. They can eat grass. Give them waste. Give them eba that you ate, that you remain. Give them this. No, you will kill you that you got a quality breed for 60,000, 70,000, and you're feeding them with your waste. It is wrong. Okay. Pig feed are expensive. Let me start with that. They eat wheat offer. They eat, I think pigs eat cassava peels too, very dry cassava peel, and they eat, there's this formula they have their own formula. So you can go to the market and ask for pig feed. Pig eats PKCs. Yes, your palm kernel cake, they eat that too. So they have their own formula. I will speak with my friend to tell me the formula I use so that I can bring it to the channel to tell you people. But pigs have their formula, and pigs don't just eat anything you give them. They eat fruits, they eat watermelon, they eat pawpaw. Yes, they eat all those things, but not just all your waste that people say, don't just give them anything they will eat. No, okay, you cannot just give them anything and expect them to give you plenty litter. No, it's what you give your animal that your animal will give you back. Okay, also make sure you give them clean water always, all the time. Let them have access to clean water. That's why you see in pig pen they have this tap that they've done for them. So all they need to do is pigs just go there, put their mouth and drink water. So make sure they have clean water all the time. Okay, finally let's talk about marketing. Juliet, okay, I've started a pig farm, I've gotten my land, I've gotten this, their feed, I've gotten it, I've gotten a quality source. How do I sell my pig? How do you sell your pig? You sell your pig to restaurants, you sell your pigs to hotels, you sell your pigs to people that convert it to sausages. Those are the people you sell your pig to. You can sell your pig to butchers in the market that sells pork meat. Yes, you can sell your pigs to people that eat pork meat too. Yes, these are the ways that you can sell your pig. You can decide to open a slaughter maybe close to your farm or another land close to your farm, and you start slaughtering it and selling to the market for people to come and carry, just as the way they used to do cow. Okay, so that's another way that you can sell your pig. Pig has ready markets. Yes, pig has ready market, so you are guaranteed to see your pig to sell. But before you proceed, even though I say pig has ready market, do your market research in your location so that you can know the breed that they are buying in your location, because different location has different breed that they buy. Okay, so do your market research. After doing your market research, they will tell you what they buy. Then you go and stock up. Then it can be easy for you to sell. Okay, I hope you got value. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video.